Hello, in this video I am going to discuss about spiral model. Spiral model gets its name from the appearance of its diagrammatic representation that looks like a spiral with many loops. The exact number of loops of the spiral is not fixed and can vary from project to project. Each loop of the spiral is called a phase of the software process. The exact number of phases through which the product is developed can be varied by the project manager depending upon the project risks. The spiral model supports coping up with risks by providing the scope to build a prototype at every phase of software development. Phases of the spiral model is divided into four sectors or quadrants. In the first quadrant, we determine objectives and identify alternative solutions. In the second quadrant, we identify and resolve risks. In the third quadrant, we develop next level of the product. And in the fourth quadrant, review and plan for the next phase. In quadrant 1, objectives are investigated, elaborated, and analyzed. Based on this, the risks involved in meeting the phase objectives are identified. In this quadrant, alternative solutions possible for the phase under consideration are proposed. In the second quadrant, alternative solutions are evaluated to select the best possible solution. To be able to do this, the solution are evaluated by developing an appropriate prototype. Activities during the third quadrant consist of developing and verifying next level of the software. At the end of the third quadrant, the identified features have been implemented and the next version of the software is available. Activities during the fourth quadrant concern reviewing the results of the stages traversed so far with the customer and planning the next iteration of the spiral. Thank you.